And the number of COVID patients in the hospital also jumped to over 200 today. That's from the lieutenant governor, who says 97% of those patients are not vaccinated. The state says breakthrough cases and hospitalizations are still low. Nikki Schenfeld explains the risks Delta poses on those who are and aren't vaccinated.
As the highly contagious Delta variant spreads throughout the state, more breakthrough cases are being reported. The health department says as of July 22nd, there have been 539 breakthrough cases out of about 826,000 fully vaccinated residents, for an infection rate of 0.065%. 2 vaccinated residents have died.
Almost all of our hospitalized patients are unvaccinated, almost all of them. And the ones that are in the hospital that were vaccinated maybe had 1 shot or are not that sick.
Usually there's a reason. They're very old and frail, or they're immune compromised in some way, but the hospitals are filled with unvaccinated people that have contracted COVID.
The public has been told from the beginning vaccines are not 100% effective in protecting you from catching COVID.
You might get a little flu-like illness and you might feel sick, or maybe you don't feel sick, but the good news is you're not going to be in the hospital and you're not going to die.
Nationwide, younger patients are being hospitalized and misinformation continues to spread.
30 to 55 age range that are becoming very ill and having to be hospitalized and dying at a time where they shouldn't be dying in their life.
I've had family that died from COVID. I've known the healthiest people went down, pretty hard. Didn't die or anything, but they got really, really sick. But on the other hand, they've infected other people, so it's not just yourself, right?
Keolana decided to get the vaccine for his ohana.
For me, it was a no-break, the vaccination, and it's not really to protect me, protect those people around me and those that I love. I don't want to push it. I just want all my friends and family to educate themselves on what's the right information.
Senator Kurt Favela's district is seeing a surge in COVID cases. He says COVID is ripping through West Oahu due to lack of education and people not knowing the vaccine is free. He and his colleagues know several breakthrough cases, and he believes it would help if those administering the tests asked if the person is vaccinated.
When we started having the numbers climb, they telling us it's all people that never get vaccinated. How do we know?
The vaccinated case he knows went to the doctor and was prescribed antibiotics, but never asked about their vaccination status. Senator Favela's aunt was infected with COVID while in the hospital, and his good friend, former Majority Leader Senator Jay Kalani English, stepped down earlier this year after suffering complications from long COVID.
It's real. It is real. And we just get a lot of skeptics out there that listen to social media, and they shouldn't.
The health department says they do not have information on a person's vaccine status when they are notified of a positive test, and only find out when they follow up on positive cases. We will follow up with the health department next week to see if that can be changed. Nikki Schenfeld, KHON2 News, working for Hawaii.